What's something that every gym can do that will have the long-term effect of them making more money?
That's easy. Advertising. What company do you know has grown extremely well and stayed there without ongoing advertising? Nike? Nike is believed by almost all real runners to be a terrible running shoe, yet everybody else thinks Nike when they think of running shoes. Coffee connoisseurs believe that Starbucks has crappy coffee, yet more people Google Starbucks than coffee shop when looking to get a coffee. Real techies think Apple sucks and it's too simple, yet everybody else believes Apple is a superior product. They've got superior marketing. Joe Polish said, there is no relationship between being good and getting paid, but there's definitely a relationship between being good at marketing and getting paid. So what can you do right now to make more money? Marketing and advertising. Double down on it, never turn it off. Those that stop marketing to save money are like those that stop a clock to save time. It's crazy. It's part of business, advertising. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can watch a ton more just like this. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.